Hey friends, today I'm playing with the size A transfer Chalking is My Cardio along with some Bright White Chalkology ink. Now I'm also using our ink mat so that way it will help hold my shirt in place. Now when you're using ink, I always like to go top to bottom with the ink on my squeegee. Now I want to make sure that that transfers down really well so there are no bubbles in my silk screen area because we don't want the ink to go under and bleed. Once I'm done, get all that excess off, scrape it right back into the jar, and then make sure you have no ink on your fingertips before you go to pull the transfer off. Check it out. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to sport my new shirt. Now, you will dry it first with a heat tool, hair dryer, and then you're going to heat set it for either 4 minutes on a cotton setting with an iron or for 30 seconds on 330 with the heat press. Stay tuned for the finished project pic. If you like what you see and you want to see more, please be sure to check out my online store. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.